Oxygen will flow. Just breathe normally and remember to fit yours first before clip together and pull the strap to tighten. Once you're outside the aircraft, pull down on the toggles to inflate and for more air, blow into the mouthpieces. There's a light and whistle for attracting attention. As for infant and spare life jackets, we'll pass those out as needed. There are life rafts and signalling devices in marked storages in the forward and centre of the cabin. We'll deploy those in an emergency, but if we do need an extra pair of hands, we'll ask you to assist. If you want more information about that, check out the safety instruction card. We're now going to point out the emergency exits. There are 2 doors at the front, 4 exits over the wings, and 2 doors down the back. Check where your nearest exits are now. They may be behind you. If visibility is low, escape path lighting will help get you there. Should we need to evacuate, leave everything on board. Taking your bags with you will slow us down and damage the escape slides. To find out about the brace position and other important safety information, have a read of the safety instruction card in your seat pocket. We ask that you follow the illuminated information signs as well as any instructions we give you. As always, smoking isn't allowed on any Virgin Australia flight. That goes for e-cigarettes too. All toilets have smoke detectors.
We should have you disembarking at gate 14 shortly, and it's
lovely 21
will be
degrees
high Sydney
outside.
Cancun. Not on
For everyone's safety, we do ask that you please keep your seatbelt fastened and the island exits clear just until that seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please do take care when you open the lockers above you, and just be sure to make sure you do have all of your belongings before you leave us this morning. A reminder to maintain a safe distance between yourself and others as you disembark and also throughout the terminal. At this stage, we should be leaving through both the forward and the rear doors. At the rear door, we do use stairs to disembark onto the tarmac, so we ask you to please use the handrails and follow any instructions that are given to you by the ground crew. If you're not comfortable using the stairs at the rear, that's okay. Please just stay seated until it's clear to leave through the forward door using the aero bridge. Of course, we will be refueling the aircraft at this time, so smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed on the tarmac or anywhere inside the terminal. And if they're close by, you can now use your handheld devices with flight mode turned off. Please just be reminded to not use your devices when walking across the tarmac. Well folks, that's it from us today. Thank you so much for choosing to fly with Virgin Australia. It's been an absolute pleasure bringing you all across from Sydney. On behalf of the crew, I'd like to wish you a safe onward journey or a warm welcome home here to Adelaide if it is home. And we look forward